Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Staff Generation, and they're looking for a Texas child and adolescent tele-psychiatrist. This job is remote. A child and adolescent psychiatrist needed 1 to 2 days per week that is willing to supervise PNHNPs. Flexible to work 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 days per week. It is full-time or part-time. It pays $140 per hour. Flexible schedule. Medical specialty in psychiatry. Schedule is 10 hours. 3 of 12, 4-hour shifts, 4 times 10, 4 times 12, 5 times 8. 8-hour shifts, day shifts, evening shifts, holidays, Monday through Friday, night shifts, self-determined schedule, some weekend availability, and also weekends only. There will be some questions, and at least a Texas medical license will be preferred. Not required, but it says preferred. And this job is remotely. So if you would like to apply for this particular position, I'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. Just subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first to get notified when we post 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, because we usually post 5 to 7 job leads on this channel every single day. So if you hit the notification, you will be one of the first to get notified, and you can find the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.